The notification hits your phone, a $5,000 raise. You celebrate. Then you fast forward 6 months. You check your accounts, and your savings balance hasn't moved an inch. My name is Naeem. This is Cash Control 360, and today we are talking about lifestyle inflation. If this vanishing act happens to you, it is not a lack of discipline. It happens because your financial system has a leak. To fix this, you only need 2 things: an expected increase in your monthly income, like a raise, a bonus, or a paid-off car, and a clear understanding of your current baseline living expenses. Today, we are looking at a 3-step mathematical formula. This system will capture your next raise, automatically grow your wealth, and still allow you to reward yourself. Defeating lifestyle inflation is never about willpower. It is about deploying an automatic system before the new money ever clears your bank account. The exact moment a larger paycheck hits your account without a plan, it creates dangerous permission. Your brain sees a bigger number and immediately signals that you can afford to relax spending. This diagram shows exactly where that money goes. New income rarely goes toward a single massive purchase. Instead, it bleeds out through minor, invisible lifestyle creeps. A slightly nicer dinner, a few new subscriptions. Step 1. We stop this invisible leak with the 90-day lifestyle hold. Look at this calendar. For 3 full months, you freeze spending and live exactly on your old salary. The extra cash is routed away into a separate account. This breaks the immediate urge to upgrade while silently building a cash buffer in the background. You will tell yourself, "But I earned this." You did. This hold is strictly a temporary pause to secure your financial footing. It is not a permanent denial of the money you earned. Implementing this 90-day hold takes a sudden windfall and turns it from a dangerous temptation into an impenetrable financial buffer. Then we reach day 91. The holding period concludes, and we move to permanent automated income allocation. Step 2. We deploy the 1/3 split. This logic chart shows the permanent division. You divide your monthly raise by 3. Route exactly 1/3 directly into long-term savings or investments. Direct the next third toward aggressive debt payoff or emergency funds. Reserve the final third strictly for safe, guilt-free lifestyle spending. This explicit automated division guarantees that 2/3 of all future income growth will permanently build your wealth, rather than vanishing into an inflated baseline. Now we focus entirely on that final lifestyle third. The danger is letting this safe money evaporate in mindless $10 increments. If you bleed it out on small impulses, you'll never feel the reward. Step 3. You consolidate this fraction into exactly one single, highly noticeable upgrade. You cross off the noise and circle a deliberate target. This intentional upgrade delivers lasting joy: a weekly cleaning service, a dedicated hobby fund, a premium fitness membership. Choosing one major upgrade completely replaces the lingering guilt of mindless spending with the absolute satisfaction of a deliberate reward. You held the line for 90 days. You locked in the split. You secured your single upgrade. You captured the raise. You are now actively saving more money, rapidly paying down your priorities, and enjoying a guilt-free upgrade on complete autopilot. Drop a comment below. What is the one intentional upgrade you would choose with your next raise? Let's normalize talking about it. If this helped, subscribe. New video every week. Cash Control 360. Practical money, no noise. This is educational content, not financial advice. Please consult a qualified professional for your specific situation.